If you want to know how to create a poll in Calendly, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can set up a meeting poll, share it with participants, and make it easy for everyone to vote on the best time. This is a great feature when you're trying to schedule a meeting with multiple people and you want flexibility without going back and forth through endless messages. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside, you'll want to go to the scheduling page. This is where Calendly keeps the tools for creating different types of meetings and scheduling options. If you're already familiar with Calendly, this area will feel very straightforward. If not, just take your time and look for the main scheduling section in the left-hand menu or dashboard. Next, click Create. This is the starting point for setting up a new scheduling option. After you click Create, Calendly will show you different ways to build a meeting event. Instead of choosing a standard one-on-one or group event, select More Ways to Meet, and then choose Meeting Poll. This option is designed for situations where you want participants to vote on the best available time slot. After selecting Meeting Poll, you'll need to choose your time zone and meeting duration. This part is important because it helps Calendly display the correct times based on your availability. Make sure your time zone is accurate so people in different locations can vote on the right options without confusion. Then set the length of the meeting, whether it's a quick 15-minute catch-up, a 30-minute team call, or a longer session. Now it's time to select the time slots you want participants to vote on. Calendly will let you pick the available options you want to offer. Think of this like building a mini schedule for people to choose from. You can select multiple time windows so participants can vote for the one that works best for them. The more clearly you organize these time slots, the easier it will be for everyone to make a decision. Once your time slots are ready, click Next. This takes you to the details page where you'll finish setting up the poll. Here, enter the meeting name and location. The meeting name should be clear and easy to understand, especially if you're sending this to a group of people. For the location, you can choose the meeting method that makes sense for your event, such as a video call link or another location option Calendly provides. After entering the details, review everything carefully. Make sure the meeting title, duration, time zone, and available slots all look correct before moving forward. Small setup mistakes can lead to confusion later, so it's always worth double-checking. When everything looks good, click Share Meeting Poll. Calendly will generate a shareable poll link that you can send to your participants. Copy that link and share it through email, chat, or wherever your team communicates. Once people open the poll, they can vote on the time that works best for them, making scheduling much easier and much faster. And that's it, you now know how to create a poll in Calendly. This is one of the easiest ways to coordinate meeting times without endless back and forth messages. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.